Good morning and welcome back to Going Solo Diaries episode 13. Currently on my hot girl morning walk. It's beautiful outside. Look at this view. I pretty much solidified my route that I do every morning and I love it. It feels so good to get fresh air outside. I definitely encourage all of y'all to take a step outside, get some vitamin D, and drink lots of water because water is so important. So in today's video, I was thinking of going to a plant store or maybe even Home Depot if I can't find a cute plant store, and get some plants for my house because plants bring in a lot of health benefits to people because obviously you want to be breathing in clear air. Also this morning I literally dropped my camera and I broke the screen. So this is the first time that I've ever broken a screen on my camera and I'm so sad because this is my child, obviously. Hot girl walk is done. I've got an assignment due at 10 a.m. this morning. It's 9:01, so I definitely need to do that really quick and then I'll give you guys a little update on life, what today is gonna look like, because next weekend is going to be absolutely crazy between exams and Drew coming from Colorado. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy and hectic, but I'm so excited and cannot wait. We just have a lot to do in advance with preparation. I'll see you guys when I finish turning in my assignment. God bless America. I think I've decided that the Alani Nu Hawaiian shaved ice is my favorite out of all of their energy drinks. They recently sent over Witch's Brew, which is really good. It's a fun little fall flavor. And I've gone through like 4 of those already, but I don't know, there's just something about the Hawaiian shaved ice. I did a little ab and glute workout on my mat downstairs and then I showered, called my mom while I did my makeup, caught up with her, and here we are. It is 10 o'clock. I love waking up early. I've been waking up the same time every single day with my alarm set for 6:45, and that has just been the best transition from waking up late in the summer, going to bed late in the summer. I just feel more calm and definitely in a much better mood. So later today at 7 p.m. I'm going to my friend's birthday dinner. It's at this place called Cones, I think, C-O-Y-N-E-S, in Eagle, Idaho, and we're like dressing up. Her family's coming into town, so I need to pick up one of my friends from her hall on campus, and then we're gonna drive there and meet the birthday girl and our other friend. So I need to get some wrapping paper from the store so that I can wrap her birthday gift along with Drew's birthday gift, which I will be giving to him next Saturday on his 19th birthday. I'm gonna film his whole birthday vlog, so I'll show y'all what I ended up getting him in that video. But today I really want to get some plants for my house because I have no greenery. My mom told me last October while my house was being built that one of the first things that I needed to do was get plants for my house. So I'm gonna do that. Also, I need to go to the grocery store and get groceries for this week as well. Oh my gosh, and I have a crap ton of Poshmark packages that I need to drop off. Gosh, my broken screen at the top is throwing me off. It's like pushed so forward. I am not a fan of it. Just had a very successful Fred Meyer's grocery haul.
And I think you're rewiring my mind. I've been taking cover under my skin, but I wanna step outside and take it all in.
Okay, groceries are unpacked. Let's do a clothing haul, shall we? Thank you so much, Shein, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Y'all can use my code IT'sCaroline for 15% off the entire Shein site. This haul might be my favorite out of any Shein order that I've placed just because it's fall time. Fall is my favorite season and I just got the perfect clothes. First item that we've got is this adorable cropped floral cardigan. This is the softest material ever. I wish you could feel it through the screen, but it's seriously so cute. I'm such a grandma cottagecore at heart, so this and another sweater that I'm gonna show y'all just totally fits that. Another little sweater that I also got is this beautiful white knit v-neck. There's also some flowers on here on the front. The detail is beautiful. It's embroidered on there, and I can definitely see myself pairing this with a bralette. Next, I got a huge puffer jacket, perfect for winter, or if it gets really cold where you live for fall, this will also be perfect for that. But look at how bougie this puffer looks. It's white and purple, and it has this really classy, eye-catching logo. I can definitely tell it's gonna keep me warm in the winter because I tried it on earlier and I was already sweating in it. It's never too early to start thinking of your Halloween costume. I have no idea what I'm gonna be, but I saw this on their site and I was like, okay, maybe this could work for a Halloween costume. And it's always good to have in your closet. This is a cute little off-the-shoulder dress, and it's got this fur on the top. Very, very classy, but giving 101 Dalmatians. I'm seriously so excited to pair this with heels. I love the off-the-shoulder cuff. All right, next we've got a little cardigan moment. I wore this one to church, posted it on my story, and all of y'all were asking me where it's from. This is the softest cardigan I've ever felt in my life. It's this white, simple cardigan in case it gets chilly to wear to church or over a dress. It is so soft, y'all. The last cardigan that I got is this beautiful striped mauve, pink, and purple and cream cardigan. You can never go wrong with cardigans, and they're also just so nice to wear around the house as well. The stitching and detail is incredible on this. And of course I had to get a little accessory. I'm all about bags and backpacks and purses. So I found this, which is kind of similar to a fanny pack, but it's more of like a golf style. My boyfriend loves to golf, so if we ever go to the golf course, I'll most likely bring this. Next up, we've got two dresses. Such a cute fall one. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to a pumpkin patch, but basically it's got a ribbed material at the top, and you tie it like this, and the back is an open back with a little bow tie. So very excited, cannot wait to wear this. The other dress that I got is this beautiful, simple white one. Dresses like these are must-have staples that you need in your closet. And what makes this one even cuter is the fact that it's a wrap dress. So it wraps at the front and you can tie it, kind of adds that little extra detail that many dresses don't have. And then the flare, of course, has this kind of skirt bottom, which is just beautiful. Okay, and then the last thing that I got from Shein is this off-the-shoulder sweater. It's sweater season, so you know what that means. Get your turtlenecks, get your off-the-shoulders, get your v-necks. This is a v-neck off-the-shoulder one. Definitely gonna be pairing this with a white bralette. And I love how on the side there's this crisscross detailing, so it kind of peeks through. You can see a little bit of your arm. That is my Shein fall haul. So excited to wear all these pieces. Shein's annual fashion show will be airing on September 25th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You don't want to miss it. Click the link down below to tune in via Shein's free app, as well as Shein's official YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you liked anything that you saw today, you can click the link down below to shop their fall and winter collection. It's seriously the cutest. And of course, everything that I wore will also be there, so you can have easy access. And finally, Shein offers free returns within 45 days of ordering, and you can qualify for free standard shipping on all orders over $49. I'm gonna run to this place called Zamzow's. I looked it up, and it's specifically a plant nursery. They've got all sorts of plants, but I'm also gonna make my way to Home Depot because I kind of want to see like which one is better, and they're pretty close to each other. So I'm gonna go there. Really quick though, I want to show y'all what I got for, well, I did get a piece of fall decor. Oops. When am I ever gonna stop getting that? Look at how cute this little decor is. It's like a little house. I feel like this could be an all year piece as well. Perfect for winter, spring, summer, and fall. For Drew's birthday, I'm gonna be baking him a cake that he really wants. It's a pecan buttercream, the whole cake. So I had to get some pans today because I don't have any cake pans. And then I also got him this really cute wrapping paper. I'll show you guys. You'll see it more in depth, but it's really cute. It says happy birthday. And then for my friend's birthday, I'm gonna show y'all what I got her. So I got this little basket because I love baskets, and I think that for gifts that you're gonna give to a girl at least, they really appreciate using the whole gift. So what I got her inside of this basket, and it's a cute one, so she can put maybe a blanket in there or her, I don't know, she could put anything in here. So I got her this little squishmallow. Look at how cute this is. This is perfect for fall, so I hope she likes this. Squishmallows are just the cutest things ever. And then how cute is this sweater? This is what it looks like. Obsessed. And then I've got a pink journal that I got the other day, so I'm gonna give that to her as well and just stick it in here. But let's go plant shopping. Okay, it feels so good outside right now. It's literally 65 degrees, which is crazy because right now in Texas, it's like 90. Would not want to be there right now. So many things to do today. My head is like all over the place. I'm excited. I cannot wait to celebrate my friend's birthday tonight. I hope that she enjoys her gift. I already wrote her a card 4 days ago, so I don't have to do that. I swear, that's always the one thing where I'm ready to go to give somebody their birthday gift and then I'm like, crap, I forgot to write a card. So I already wrote Drew's a week beforehand and I wrote hers 4 days ago. Okay, just got to Zamzow's. Let's check this place out. I'm excited. Let's see what's in here.
You're like a light storm, a light storm. Oh, oh, oh.
You guys, I am officially a plant owner. Okay, so I spent $20 on 2 pots and 2 different plants. I can't even tell you how excited I am right now. Like this, this is just so funny. I never thought that I would ever get plants, but here I am. Go to Zamzow's. They have the cutest plants, pretty affordable for 2 plants and 2 pots. All right, back to my house. And then we've got to turn around. Oh, I'm gonna make lunch. I'm gonna make lunch and then we're gonna go to the post office, drop off all these Poshmark orders. And while I was in Fred Meyer getting my groceries, I got notified of more Poshmark purchases. So I need to go pack those and then we'll go to the post office. I'm about to scream. Look at how good this looks. For today's lunch, I made a bagel with melted cheddar cheese and an over easy egg. Oh my god, this is fire. I gotta show Drew. Babe.
Oh my gosh.
I know. It's so good. I just put water in the plants and they're now up on this little window shelf. My goal is to fill this whole shelf with plants. Yeah, I'm so excited, but this is just the beginning. Hopefully I can build my plant collection, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Oh my goodness. 3 packages. Good lord, let's open them. I'm gonna bring these over one at a time, but first I gotta get my box cutter. Oh my gosh! Wait, this is so exciting! So this looks like a LED table lamp from Bright Tech. Gotta love breaking down boxes. Okay, so this is definitely going in my office. Hello. Okay, wait, I wanna see this plugged in. Let's plug it in under here. Shut the front door. Oh my god, this is so cute. You guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. This is so exciting. All right, so these other 2 packages are also from Bright Tech. They sent 3 different lamps and I cannot wait to see what these other ones look like. This is the Aria LED floor lamp. Yo, I've never built something so fast in my life. I'll show you guys when it's all lit up, but there's a charging port right here, and all on this side are LED lights. So it actually lights up, and it's a shelf. This is definitely gonna go in my room. Am I a psycho that just built 3 lamps in 30 minutes? Yeah, but look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the most classy, elegant looking lamp ever. Also, you can bend it down, perfect for reading. Hello. Thank you so much, Bright Tech, for sending me all of these lamps. I'm speechless right now. This is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Yeah, and love. So now I'm just screwing in the light bulb. This is what her birthday gift looks like. We've got the candy corn squishmallow, her card, this little journal, and then obviously the sweater and the basket. So I'm running a little bit late. I'm gonna leave right now. Currently wearing this dress from my haul. It is seriously so cute and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go pick up my friend and then we're gonna go drive 30 minutes to the restaurant.